This video is about how to replace the Yamaha LS9 internal battery. It says it takes about 4 minutes, but it's going to run you about 15, and you need a 2032 coin cell battery. As you can see on the screen, it says the battery's low. Alright, so here we're taking off the bumpers. They have 4 screws each, and I put the screw layout on screen. You want to go ahead and take all 4 screws out, do that on both sides, remove the bumpers, and then you can move on to the next set of screws. Once you've gotten the bumpers off, you want to get the next 4 screws underneath. These are much smaller, so be sure you don't lose them. Now you're going to get the front screws off. These are underneath the lip, and you want to be careful not to strip any of these, along with any of the other screws, because you're going to need them when you reassemble. On screen I displayed the screw map again. This shows the front and the back screws. You will need to remove all of them in order to take the unit completely apart. Now you can see I'm taking off the back screws. I would recommend when you're taking apart the board that you remove the work light. I would also recommend unplugging the power cable and making sure that the power button is off. Lifting up the lid reveals the circuitry inside. Towards the front of the board, you'll be able to locate a CPU board, and you'll see the coin cell soldered to the top. To remove the coin cell, you push in so that it clears the tabs, then you pull it straight out. To insert the coin cell, push it straight in and be sure it clears the tabs and stays underneath. Now you can close up the panel again. When you're reassembling the mixer, you want to make sure you put all the screws in tightly, but you do not want to over tighten them. Now you can put the bumpers back on and insert all 4 screws. Put all the front screws back in. Once you get all the side screws in, you can go ahead and attach your second bumper. When you finish attaching that second bumper, it's time to turn the unit on. The unit should boot normally, and then once you're in, you should enter the settings panel. As you can see, I've entered the settings panel, and when you take a look at the battery, it now reads OK.